Choose the correct sentence. Options are: A. It was so a hot day. B. It was such a hot day. C. It was such hot day. D. It was so hot day. The correct answer is it was such a hot day. Select the correct option. The movie was blank interesting. Options are: A. Such. B. So. C. Such an. D. Very much. The correct answer is so. Choose the correct sentence. Options are: A. She is such kind. B. She is so kind. C. She is so a kind person. D. She is such very kind. The correct answer is she is so kind. Fill in the blank. It was blank beautiful weather. Options are: A. So. B. Such. C. Such a. D. Very. The correct answer is such. Choose the correct sentence. Options are: A. It was so an easy task. B. It was such easy task. C. It was such an easy task. D. It was so easy task. The correct answer is it was such an easy task. Select the correct option. The food was blank delicious. Options are: A. Such. B. So. C. Such a. D. Too much. The correct answer is so. Choose the correct sentence. Options are: A. They are such happy. B. They are so happy. C. They are so a happy group. D. They are such very happy. The correct answer is they are so happy. Fill in the blank. It was blank big mistake. Options are: A. So. B. Such. C. Such a. D. Very. The correct answer is such a. Choose the correct sentence. Options are: A. It was so cold weather. B. It was such cold weather. C. It was so a cold weather. D. It was such a cold weather. The correct answer is it was such cold weather. Which rule is correct? Options are: A. So plus adjective. B. Such plus adjective. C. So plus noun. D. Such plus adverb. The correct answer is so plus adjective.